Hey guys, David here. Welcome to Digital Outlook, where you're gonna find the best community in all of crypto. In today's video, most folks are gonna absolutely miss it. So guys, without further ado, why don't we get to it? So guys, right now, if you've been watching this space for any time at all, you know exactly what's going on and how the sentiment is like a rubber ball bouncing up and down and all over the place. And of course, with that, we're watching prices just kind of fluctuate wildly. I mean, we're up like 2-3 cents, down 2-3 cents, on and on and on. And guys, boy, does it ever test your patience big time. Well, the thing is this, we have been here before. And I'll tell you guys, you would not believe how many people literally missed out on that last run because of exactly the same kind of feeling and sentiment that is going on today. Well, guys, a big time analyst has picked up on this, and boy, have they made some big time declarations. Now, just take a look at this article right over here. Upcoming mega XRP surge. Analysts reveal how most investors would miss out. And that's just today, January 30th, 2024. Listen to this. 2 prominent analysts have shared similar XRP price charts detailing a possible capitulation event right before an imminent XRP price surge that could replicate the 2017 uptrend. Boy, guys, if you were there to see it, and boy, how I wish I was, it was something else. In fact, things were just tinkering along, and all of a sudden, boof, down she goes, and almost immediately, boom, it just skyrocketed, literally like a slingshot right into the upper atmosphere. Now listen to this right down here. In a recent report, crypto market watcher JD disclosed that XRP could be on the verge of a meteoric surge. The analyst noted that XRP currently trades within a 6-year symmetrical triangle. XRP formed the upper descending trend line of the triangle when it dropped from the $3.30 all-time high, and depending on the exchange, it actually went as high as $3.84. Now listen to this here. Data from JD's chart confirms that XRP traded in a similar symmetrical triangle from late 2013 to 2017 before its massive rally in 2017. Notably, XRP entered this symmetrical triangle following a collapse from a previous all-time high of 0.0614 in December of 2013. And here he is. He's showing it right over here. And then all of a sudden, boom, up it went. It was something else. And then, of course, where are we at? Well, that looks fairly similar, doesn't it, to where we were back there. Now, the token continued to record lower highs from December 2013 to early 2017 due to the resistance mounted by the symmetrical triangle's upper descending trend line. XRP recorded its breakout from the triangle in March of 2017. However, the XRP chart shows a massive wick down in January 2017. According to JD, this wick was due to some XRP investors selling off their holdings, get this, amid XRP's underperformance at the time. And where are we right now, guys? What is the big sentiment that you're seeing and the comments that you're hearing, right? When you read those comments, when you see those comments and you hear the remarks, oftentimes when I'm reading this, oh yeah, lots is happening with Ripple, lots is happening, but boy, the price. And it's all this negative sentiment about an underperforming price. Now, he says this, recall that XRP initially lagged Bitcoin and the broader crypto market in the 2017 bull run. Nonetheless, the token eventually recorded a massive surge shortly after this capitulation event. The surge came on the back of the breakout from the previous symmetrical triangle, with XRP soaring, get this, 66,100% from a low of 0.005 in February 2017. In fact, on January 4th of 2017, it was trading at 0.006 to $3.31 in January 2018. Well, January 4th, 1 year to the day, in 2018, you went from 0.006 to $3.84. Can you even fathom what that must have been like for the guys that had the gumption to get in and hold all the way through all of that FUD? $6,000 bought you 1 million XRP, and within 1 year, you were netting out over $3 million. That is a historical fact. And boy, I'll tell you what, if we see a situation like that again, and with all the sentiment that's going on now, and people are literally capitulating with their holdings in XRP, majority of people, and especially these analysts, are on the verge of literally missing out on probably one of the greatest increases in their personal prosperity that they may ever see in their entire lives. That is at least how I'm viewing it, and how some of these other analysts are viewing it and their opinions. Now, listen to this here. JD believes this pattern is about to repeat in the current cycle. Notably, XRP looks poised to break above the latest symmetrical triangle. However, JD says there is the possibility of another, get this, massive wick down similar to the one in January 2017, a big-time capitulation event. And I'll tell you what, Judy and I, if we see something like that, we've got some dry powder just waiting on the side. And I'll tell you what, for us at least, our decision will be to load up and big time. Now, according to the analysts, this would result in a similar capitulation event, as several investors have continued to, get this, lament XRP's underperformance in the current pre-bull run phase. Interestingly, Bitcoin is up 62% since September of 2023, while XRP is only up 2.6% within the same time frame. This reality has triggered investor angst, and boy, can you feel that vibe. I'm telling you what, it feels exactly like it did for Judy and I when we were getting in right there at the absolute rock bottom. Didn't even know it. In all honesty, we were there at the rock bottom, buying in, and within 1 year, it revolutionized our lives. Now listen to this. The MACD indicator compounds JD's confidence in another meteoric rise for XRP. In 2017, the breakout from the symmetrical triangle occurred alongside a cross above zero for the monthly MACD. He expects this MACD cross to fuel the uptrend further. Guys, if we see something like that, where we see a big capitulation event like it is right in here, if we get something like that here where it drops even below this trend line and it drops down here, he's got down here, this is what he says here. Will, quote, dumb money capitulate before parabolic move like in 2017, missing out on the next biggest opportunity of a lifetime. Now, that is his quote right there, because, guys, what he's thinking is he's seeing is, look, we're seeing a big time similarity here, right in here from where we were back there. And we had this big capitulation where XRP literally fell through the floor. And then all of a sudden, without any warning, boom, did it ever fly off, and how? And do you know, when people were doing this, is tinkering along like this, they just got weary of it and they absolutely capitulated, gave out. They thought, it's not going to happen. They gave in, and literally it's like they were 3 feet away from their absolute mother lode of a gold mine, because this shot off and literally changed people's lives massively. Well, that's what he's thinking is going to happen right in here. And I'll tell you what, for Judy and I, we've made our decision. We are looking at the long-term fundamentals, not the day-to-day rinky-dink price action. We're looking at the value of what we hold. And I think about it like that, guys. And I'll throw this out there. Think of $100. 5 years from now, $100 is still going to be $100. But what will that $100 buy you? You see, it's the value of it, not just where it's at right now. I mean, you're looking at XRP at what, 50 some cents right now? Wasn't that long ago, just a few months back, we were only at 38 cents. And I'll tell you what, have the fundamentals changed? Has the ecosystem diminished or has it expanded? Well, we know it's expanded. Has Ripple gone out there and lost partners, or have they just gained more partnership and influence? Well, we know they've gained it. Have we gotten clarity for XRP that we never, not ever had before? Absolutely. XRP right now is the only digital asset in the entirety of the United States with legal clarity granted to it by a federal judge in federal court. Now that is totally massive. So guys, if we see a liquidation event like that where people just capitulate and the price of XRP suddenly takes a spike down, wow, I'll tell you what, for me, I think I'm going to view that as opportunity. Now you go out there and you make up your own mind. Don't ever make an investment based on someone else's conviction. At least you owe it to yourself to go out and investigate it for yourself and come to your own conclusions. But I'm telling you right now, for Judy and I, we would be loading up. That is at least my personal expectation and opinion should I see something like that. Now, guys, just take a look at this right over here. XRP nears as automated market making implementation as validators rally behind Ripple 2.0.1. Now, listen to this right here. The journey towards introducing an automated market maker to XRP's blockchain is becoming more evident as more network validators have pledged to vote in favor of its implementation. Now, guys, just last week, we were talking about this, and now we're even closer to it with even more validators getting on there. Now, another thing, too, there's this whole big deal that a couple of validators left over a dispute in the governance. Well, guys, there are over 600 validators. And if a couple of them decide to leave, we've got enough nodes. The XRP ledger is not in any jeopardy whatsoever with respect to its governance. And I'll just throw that out there because I know that's a big conjecture right now. But needless to say, this whole deal with this XRP automated market maker, this is a major big time development that will literally allow the potential for XRP holders to earn passive income on the XRP ledger. Now listen to what it says here. In a recent post on X, Panos Marquez, co-founder of Anados Finance, called attention to the release of Ripple version 2.0.1. XRPL server software. With the updates accompanying the new version release, Marquez expressed confidence that the arrival of the proposed automated market maker amendment on the XRP ledger was now within closer reach than ever before. Besides, prominent XRP validators have proclaimed their intention to adopt the new Ripple version. For instance, We'd Say Win, the architect of XRP Labs, absolutely fabulous, disclosed plans to integrate the new software version into the XRPL Labs validator and several of their nodes. Following the installation, Wynn stated that if the implementation proceeds without any issues, he intends to vote yes to the automated market making amendment within the next 2 weeks. Now that is right around the corner, and that's like lightning speed in this space for changes for sure. Likewise, Dirk Scheppens, the founder of Xpector, revealed that their intention to deploy Ripple 2.0.1. Scheppens mentioned that they would evaluate the performance after a short monitoring period and endorse again the proposed automated market maker if everything functions as anticipated. In a similar vein, the team behind XRP Blockchain Explorer XRP Scan disclosed that the XRP Scan validator has been updated to the Ripple version 2.0.1. Following that update, they are endorsing various amendments to the XRP ledger, including the automated market maker. At press time, data from XRP Scan suggested that the endorsement for the proposed automated market maker currently stands at over 68%. Guys, they're only 12% away from getting a yes vote on this amendment, as 24 validators have voted yes to the amendment. Notably, the successful deployment of the automated market maker hinges on attaining 80% endorsement from the XRP ledger validators. Guys, this is a big time deal. We see this, and I'm telling you what, boy, is this going to open things up in a big way. And David Schwartz himself, the CEO, Chief Technical Officer for Ripple, came out and fully backs this automated market making and thinking, listen, this is going to stabilize prices for XRP. There's not tremendous great risk for loss, as a lot of people like to say. And on top of that, the potential to earn passive income by participating in the liquidity pools. This is a major big deal. And when you take that kind of news and you're coupling it with this kind of technical analysis and things that are going on, guys, I'll tell you what, I don't want to be one of the ones that sits back and just sits on the sidelines and watch somebody else enjoy all the rewards and the victories of winning that game. Do you? I'm making our decision. We're out there, and Judy and I, like I said, we've done our due diligence. Now, when you're hearing me right now on this channel, you're getting my 100% biased opinion, and I make absolutely no bones about it, because Judy and I'll tell you what, we have done our research. I am absolutely convinced. Now you go out and do your research, and hey, by the way, if you decide it's not for you, then that's fine, but at least you've done yourself a favor, and you've gone out there and you did the research to decide for yourself, rather than because I'll tell you what, hey, one thing I've learned in life, if somebody can talk you into it, someone else can talk you out of it. Guys, you need to go out there and do it, and you owe it to yourself to at least research it and see what you come up with, because I'll tell you what, when this rocket ship takes off, I believe it's going to go flying right through the atmosphere, and most people are going to be sitting on the sidelines with their mouths literally hanging open. So guys, when things in this space start to take off, it happens fast. And that is why it is so vitally important that you get your plan in place before this next bull run absolutely takes off. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally, one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run, and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com, and we'll get y'all booked in. So guys, this is the video I have for you today, and as always, I truly hope that you enjoyed it. Now, many of you know I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, but if you found value in it, if you'd hit that like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And hey, don't forget to put your comments right down there in the comment section, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our regularly released videos. So, in the meantime and in between time, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one.